Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe, especially you guys on the East Coast. You guys know who I'm talking about. Beantown, Boston, and all them. You guys got a lot of snow out there. We haven't got hit yet in Michigan, so hopefully it passes us. But you guys can check this company out. Link is going to be down below. And this is what they got to offer. Coming from Torras. Boom. Wireless charger. Very nice. Always good to have a couple of these around. Gift to yourself. Maybe a late Christmas gift to somebody. Especially now they understand, you know. So it's something cool. Boom. Oh man, I won't stand. There we go. Alright. I got a manifesto. It's all in here. What's this about? We shall see. So this is what it looks like. USB. It's always good to have a couple, like I said. I'm going to put this in my room, so we'll go in my room in a second. Take that out. Torras. Is this a... You switch them? Kind of confused by this one. Alright. There's that. The USB we could plug in. Or micro USB. Micro USB. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna figure out something. I guess I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. Got it set up right there. See that little guy? I just ran it through the USB right down there. And now I'll slide it right here so you can see this thing in action. Got the iPhone 11. This phone is completely dead. There's so much glare. Hold on, I had it working. There it goes. Boom. See, my phone is completely dead. Should get juice in a few seconds. But there's that. Really nice. And there's a Pro Max. Got that set up. So definitely check these guys out. Torras, Amazon. Link is going to be down below. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing. And like I said, thank you guys for watching today. So it should be almost 2 turning on in a second. We'll give it another minute. But it's tiny. You can hide these anywhere, so I mean, it all depends on where you put them. But I just gotta clean up my wires and stuff down there, so organize that more this weekend. But yeah, these are definitely nice. Like I said, a nice little gift to yourself or somebody. Especially now, everybody has smartphones. So there you go. Should be very shortly turning green. Let's see, where does it say? Pull that out. And it's still a little bit longer, but boom. charging. So there you go, guys. Check them out if you guys need an extra one of those chargers. Be safe. Have a good weekend.